our first priority on every flight.
You guys have headsets? You need them?
I have mine. They connect to my phone, but
Show you where the safest world there is. The world of the safety card. Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin. Use smaller items, including handbags, under the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat.
My brother had a flight 5 minutes before I did.
And ask your crew members for
So I only got. I
please
didn't say
ensure all aisles, exits,
He's
and
going
bulkhead
to
areas are clear.
Chicago.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the post placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew members' instructions. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector.
That looks very weird on the inside.
There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. The forward doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the
And I
plane.
turned 12, like,
In the event of an evacuation, we've all carried items behind.
go there and have my
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exit closest to you. And remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are located under your seats in the main cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are either in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less. Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests and headrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you need anything before we take off. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Yeah, but can you stop me?
On behalf of everyone at Delta, thank you for paying attention. Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please sit back, settle in, and enjoy your flight.
Seats back forward, please, for takeoff. How long are you gonna do that?
Just from the takeoff.
For how long it takes your phone to die?
No, until we take off.
How'd you crack your screen?
I've dropped it like a lot of times.
I've chipped my screen. Okay, I've had my phone for years, and it's chipped but not cracked. So like you can't do anything about it. You go like this. Oh my god, did you know that jiggles like that? Yes, it's the worst. And it makes like a little dot, like a black dot, whenever you're trying to watch it. Yeah, oh mine's a rainbow line. And I'm like, I have 2 episodes of the Office downloaded, and that's what I wanted to do. This is like I got it on my screen.
Don't you have McDonald's for me too? I'm hungry.
No, I don't.
No. Do you have that? Oh, you got even better.
I got even better snacks.
What do you have?
She's like a million things. That. Oh,
Well, that's no big deal. We get Pringles on the airplane. What's that? Those are pretty good. Those are pretty good. That's got to go up for takeoff, buddy. Once we get in the air, you can bring it down, all right?
I got those.
All right, we're going to go.
My mom got spearmint. Just like when she eats spearmint. And she got spearmint without blending. And so, like, she got like a lush, like, toothpaste basically. And she did not like it. So, I didn't get lush toothpaste.
There's up 7 people on our flight. Yeah. Just like 7 of them. Smell it. Do you not like spearmint?
No, I like it. That was just a very strong argument.
English, continue. Okay.
I'm gonna go to Cartoon Network.
Where'd you go?
Live TV by Dish, because I don't think my house is
Oh my god. Let me go there. Okay, where's Cartoon Network?
Yeah, because we're children up there.
Let me press it. Okay, where's my headset? Where's my headset?
But you just grabbed it.
Yeah, I just put it somewhere. Did I already lose it? Probably get another.
Flight attendants, please put it up for departure.
Yeah, and I have these.
Oh my god, you were too scared.
Sad, yeah. Where's my headset? I'm not very prepared. I just lost my headset. I just had it in my hand. Oh. Bro. Setting that on the ground. I don't really need that.
I have the same one.
I only
and I forgot it, and I'm upset.
I only brought it so I can sit on it because my sister doesn't like sitting on the chairs. My sister doesn't like chairs.
I always used to do freeboard because my sister's allergic to nuts, and so we have to wipe everything down.
Oh my god. Where's my headphones? Do I have to pat down my backpack? Yes, I did. Wait.
Okay, I don't want to watch that. I don't want to watch that.
Yeah, me neither. Why bed things?
Back
Wait,
blackjack.
how did you get there? Serious? Have you ate this morning yet?
Yeah, I had like one thing for my vlog.
I just dropped something and I just dropped my spearmint. Sorry.
You know, takeoff, it's usually like 30 minutes long, right?
Well, no, I mean, like once we're off the runway, that's usually when I start coming.
How'd you get there? Okay, so go to Skycage.